Hello, and welcome back to our course on building a successful business with 3D printing. In this module, we're going to dive deep into the world of 3D printing materials, an essential topic for any aspiring 3D printing entrepreneur. The materials you choose for your 3D printed products can make or break your business. After all, the quality, durability, and even the appearance of your prints are all heavily influenced by the type of filament or resin you use. Get this right, and you'll be on your way to creating high-quality, in-demand products. Get it wrong, and you could end up wasting time, money, and opportunities. There's a wide range of materials available for 3D printing these days, each with its own unique properties and applications. Some of the most popular options include PLA polylactic acid, a biodegradable and affordable plastic that's great for beginners and basic prototypes. ABS acrylonitrile butadiene styrene, a durable, impact-resistant plastic ideal for functional parts and mechanical components. PETG polyethylene terephthalate glycol modified, a versatile material that combines the best of PLA and ABS, offering good strength and printability. Resin, a liquid material used in SLA and DLP 3D printers, known for its exceptional detail and smooth finish. Nylon, a strong, flexible material that's great for producing durable, wear-resistant parts. Flexible filaments, such as TPU thermoplastic polyurethane, which are perfect for creating rubber-like, flexible objects. When choosing the right 3D printing materials for your business, there are several key factors to consider. Print quality and detail. Some materials, like resin, excel at producing highly detailed parts, while others, like PLA, are better suited for more basic models. Mechanical properties. If you need to create functional parts, you'll want to look for materials with the right strength, flexibility, and impact resistance. Cost and availability. Cheaper materials like PLA may be great for prototyping, but more advanced filaments can get quite pricey. Availability is also an important factor, especially if you plan to scale your business. Sustainability and environmental impact. Some eco-conscious customers may prefer biodegradable or recycled materials. Choosing the right 3D printing materials is a crucial step in building a successful 3D printing business. Take the time to research the various options, understand their properties, and select the materials that best fit your product requirements and target market. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on the latest tips and strategies for 3D printing entrepreneurship.